Welcome to Zervise for Slack. In this video, we'll show you how to create, sort, and filter tickets. To create a ticket, click on the Create Ticket button. If you're a user, enter the ticket title and describe the issue in detail. If you're an agent, you can assign a priority, choose a relevant Slack channel, and assign an agent to the ticket. Once created, you can view the ticket in the All Tickets tab for easy management. Navigate to the chosen Slack channel to find the message with the new ticket details. You can use the thread of this message to post replies and collaborate on the ticket. To sort and filter tickets, go to the All Tickets tab, where you can filter tickets by status, priority, or assigned agent. You can also sort tickets by update date, creation date, or priority to easily prioritize your work. Use the checkboxes next to each ticket to select the ones you want to update. Once the tickets are chosen, you can use one of the three buttons, Assign, Resolve, Update, above the ticket list. If you want to update the ticket properties like channel, service, status, priority, etc., then use the Update button and choose the properties. Then click Update. If you want to assign an agent to the tickets, then use the Assign button and choose the agent. If you want to resolve the tickets, then use the Resolve button. Now you're ready to manage your tickets efficiently in Zervise for Slack. Thank you for watching.